Anong workout na?
So, ang next exercise po natin is tricep overhead suspension. So, first, hawak na yung panabalik yan.
Hindi na makakain.
So, we start with wait lang ha.
Hindi ko magawin natin yan. Okay, nakakita ko na yung arms ko. Okay.
Your elbows go up, turn head, then push all the way up. So, way down, inhale, bago push, and exhale on back.
Okay, kung ayaw natin ng mga loose na ano dito, loose na parts sa arms natin, ladies. So, gawin natin ito lang. Ako personally, gano'n ito lang. Yan.
All the way up, parang activate the tricep.
Yan, tama.
Lock your elbow.
So again, 3 rounds, 3 sets, 12 reps. Yan. So, start tayo ng like, na hanggang na-practice natin, na-master natin yung 4. Tama ba? Okay, alright. So, yan yung orthodox natin, very basic for beginners. And of course, very important that you get a professional, a trained coach para sa umpisa ng health journey ninyo. So, next up,
So, first, follow with the hard head. Then, close the step. Tapos, hindi mo na pag-squat. So, yung glutes dapat paatas. Next, hindi siya mag-forward. So, go forward siya. So, okay.
sets, 12 reps.
So, targets na 1,